Welcome to the Bali Bird and Reptile Park, a place where you can get up close and personal with some of the most beautiful and exotic creatures on the planet. From colorful parrots hailing from across Southeast Asia, the so-called last dinosaurs, the mighty Komodo dragons, the largest living lizards in the world. Watch pythons being fed, meet majestic iguanas, and discover so much more in this wild adventure. Let's dive into the world of birds and reptiles, right here in Bali. The park is divided into 7 regions that recreate the natural habitats of our birds, complete with indigenous plant life. You can travel from the deep misty jungle of Sumatra to Far East Indonesia and Papua to discover the native birds from these remote regions. Enter into their real living environment and see how they play with their colony, how they breed, and feel their happiness. You'll love them. The lush plants and greenery all around recreate the animals' natural habitats, giving the park a true jungle vibe, just like the environments these birds come from. With its snow-white feathers and graceful presence, the white peacock is a breathtaking sight, a rare variation of the common peacock and a timeless symbol of beauty and purity. Here at the Bird Park, one of the main attractions is the mighty Komodo dragon, the world's largest and heaviest lizard. Native to the Indonesian islands of Komodo and Brinca, this living giant is as fascinating as it is fearsome. With the males growing to a maximum length of 3 meters and weighing up to 150 kilograms. As a result of their size, Komodo dragons are apex predators and dominate the ecosystems in which they live. As with many other reptiles, the Komodo dragon primarily relies on its tongue to detect, taste, and smell. We even got to witness the Komodo dragons during feeding time, watching them move with surprising speed and precision as they lock onto their food. It's an incredible way to see their power and sharp senses up close.
The biggest one, but he's still a small.
Komodo dragons eat almost any kind of meat, scavenging for carcasses or stalking animals that range in size from small rodents to large water buffalo. Young feed primarily on small lizards and insects, as well as snakes and birds. If they live to be 5 years old, they move on to larger prey, such as rodents, monkeys, goats, wild boars, and deer. These reptiles are tertiary predators at the top of their food chain and are also cannibalistic. Most of the monitor's attempts at bringing down prey are unsuccessful. However, if it is able to bite its prey, bacteria and venom in its saliva will kill the prey within a few days. After the animal dies, which can take up to 4 days, the Komodo uses its powerful sense of smell to locate the body. The kill is often shared between many Komodo dragons. Now we're stepping into the reptile park, located right next to the bird park. And look who's welcoming us at the entrance. A massive albino python. Yes, you can even pet it, along with the stunning male iguana showing off his vibrant colors.
Very good.
Yeah, you can do like this too.
It's beautiful, yeah?
Iguanas are some of the largest lizards found in the tropical areas of Central, South America, and the Caribbean. Look at this monitor lizard trying to make its way out of its shelter. A perfect example of just how curious and intelligent these creatures really are. And this one, definitely full of curiosity. This boa snake was just chilling, calmly resting and blending into its surroundings, showing off its peaceful side. The Javan-spitting cobra, found in the Indonesian islands including Bali and Lombok, is a highly venomous species. When threatened, it can eject venom directly from its fangs, a powerful defense mechanism. These cobras don't bite to defend themselves, they spit.
It's beautiful, yeah?
This is not normal color, sir. We call it this one leucistic or Lucy. It's similar with.
The park also houses other highly venomous snakes, mostly from Southeast Asia, including species native to Bali's own wildlife. It's truly breathtaking to see these dangerous reptiles up close, many of which can be deadly to humans if not treated quickly. And look at this one, the world's longest venomous snake, the king cobra. Found in forests stretching from India to Indonesia and the Philippines, it's as majestic as it is dangerous. While its venom isn't the most potent, the sheer amount of neurotoxin it can deliver in a single bite, up to 0.2 of a fluid ounce, is enough to kill 20 people or even bring down an elephant. As we walk through the park, full of excitement and curiosity, we come across another group of cold-blooded killers, the crocodiles, powerful, ancient, and always watching. Next up, the monitor lizards. We approached with caution and respect, and even got the chance to gently touch one. It's a powerful experience, connecting so closely with such a remarkable creature. Iguana species vary greatly in size, color, behavior, and their endangered status in the wild. In the animal kingdom, males often have the brightest colors, but not among green iguanas. Males are often a bright orange, females are green. Most iguanas are herbivores, eating fruits, flower buds, and young leaves. Gently touching one, I couldn't help but think, maybe I should get one as a pet. They're surprisingly calm, curious, and absolutely fascinating up close. Let's take a look at the fascinating mating ritual of the iguanas. From vibrant displays of color to head bobbing and body postures, these behaviors are all part of their unique way to attract a mate. You'll also find a variety of turtles here, slow-moving and serene. They're fascinating to observe, whether swimming peacefully or enjoying their meals. We absolutely loved petting these iguanas. So calm and gentle reptiles. Thanks for joining us on this wild adventure. If you're in Bali and an animal lover, we highly recommend visiting this amazing park. It's an experience you won't forget.